Hey guys, before this video starts, just want to let you know about APX or Apex. It's an event that's going on at Shriners Auditorium on September 16th. There's going to be a bunch of YouTubers there, including Saab Kyle, That Dude in Blue, Dr. M3, of course me, Tedward, Palin, a bunch of other people. It's going to be a blast. If you click the link in the description, you can head over to Eventbrite to buy the tickets. Again, the event is going to be on the 16th. There's going to be 14 personalities. It's going to be a chance to meet and greet with your favorite personalities, as well as connect with a bunch of people like you. We do have tickets available, and there are a limited quantity, so make sure to get yours today. Definitely don't wait, or they might be gone and you might miss out. So check the link in the description to get $5 off, and as always, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Got all the stuff shifting around in here. Little rubbing. Thank you, co-pilot. Well, that was fun. Now that we've gotten all the stuff secured, hopefully. see him do an e-brake turn?